Hello, welcome to this lecture series on ergonomics and aesthetics. And in this video, we will be discussing about types of field of views. So, field of views are simply divided or classified into two major types, that is direct field of view and indirect field of view. As the name suggests, the definition of direct field of view is the direct field consists of views that the driver can see directly by moving his or her eyes or head. So here the important thing is without taking any help of tools or mirrors or sensors. Okay, so imagine you are sitting in the car and in the driver's seat, and what you can see in different directions with your eyes and head movement, that is what your field of direct fields are. So it can be classified, it can be further divided into forward view, that is through the windshield what driver can see. Then from rear view, if you are directly looking through the backlit or the rear window, that is what the rear view direct fields are. And from side views, directly looking through the left and right side windows from the driver's seat, that is what the direct field of view is. Okay. Next, coming to the indirect field of views. So indirect field of views is what the driver views indirectly by using the imaging devices. Now, what are the imaging devices you have in your car? That is inside mirrors, outside mirrors. Nowadays, you get the display screen showing the camera view, locations of the object detected by sensor like a blind area detection or maybe backup sensor. When you take the reverse, there is a beep sound coming from the ultrasound sensor. So all those things, the sensors, the camera devices or the imaging devices, all if you are using that, that will be considered under indirect fields. Okay, so this is all about types of field of view where we have classified it into direct fields and indirect fields. That's all for this video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel and keep following this playlist for more videos on aesthetics and ergonomics. Thank you for joining.